Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this tutorial, we're looking at these four online businesses that you can start and earn in dollars with in 2024. So earning in dollars is very important now as a Nigerian. Of course, you know that the Naira is falling apart with over 1,400 to $1 at the time of recording this video. So while we cannot do anything about it, we can use it to our advantage by earning in dollars. So imagine earning just $100 every day. That's like $1 times 1,400. So you do the math and it's actually a whole lot of money, right? And it is super possible. All right. But I must warn you that there is work to do because I'm not telling you that the money would fall from the sky. So anytime I do this kind of videos, I always like to sound it that these things actually take time, right? So you have to be patient and commit time to it. So let's get straight into it. But before we get straight into it, if you're new to my channel and you're not yet subscribed, kindly hit on the subscribe button so that you will become a part of the family. And don't just look at subscribing, go on to also click on the notification bell so that you would also get notified when I post similar videos like this. And most of the videos we do here are teaching you how to make money in the online space as well as how to, take advantage of paid advertising to create more visibility for your business. So let's get straight into it. So the first one we'll talk about is filling or answering surveys online. So this can be done as a side hustle, but you can get paid for answering survey questions. So I'm going to be talking about this more extensively in different tutorial. So that's why you should get subscribed. So if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, quickly do that and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on that. Because I won't if I start talking about that in this tutorial, we may not actually finish because it's actually a whole lot on its own, as well as these other things that I'm going to be discussing as well. So for most of these things, I have done, tutorials around them in the past. And anyone I find, I'm going to be linking it in the description of this video. But for this particular first one, I haven't done a video on it. And I promise to do a video on it. So it is said to be very profitable. I'm still doing my research on it. And once I am done with my research and I confirm that it is indeed profitable, I'm going to come back and do a tutorial for you guys. All right. Then the second one we are going to be talking about is freelancing. So starting a freelancing or becoming a freelancer. So who is a freelancer? A freelancer is someone who has a skill and works for different clients as opposed to someone who has a salary job. So make no mistakes about this. You can still have a 9 to 5 or a salary job and still be a freelancer. This means that you're doing freelancing as a side job anyways. So with freelancing, you can get hired globally when you sign up on popular freelance websites and earn in dollars when you complete tasks. So the most popular freelancing sites globally are Fiverr and Upwork, but there are many of them out there. We work remotely, we have TalkTal, we have Blue.com and several others. So I recently talked about this in a video in a recent tutorial, and I'm going to be leaving a link in the description so you can also go check it out and watch it out more extensively. It's free. If freelancing is something you really want to do, you can check out that video and get all the tips and tricks to actually start your career in freelancing and also start to make money in dollars. All right. So the great thing about freelancing is that you earn in dollars, of course, and you have time and job flexibility. You can get to choose your rates and whom you want to work with. So the third one we're going to be talking about is affiliate marketing. So I'm very sure this is not the first time you're hearing about affiliate marketing. And thing is that in recent times, a lot of people have labeled affiliate marketing as a scam for one reason or the other. Perhaps when you finish listening to me and you decide to also go on to check the tutorial I did recently on affiliate marketing, you would get a better understanding. But this is like a tip of the iceberg. So affiliate marketing is a business model that pays you commissions for selling other people's products. So you can choose to sell physical or digital products, but most affiliate networks that pay commissions in dollars in Nigeria give you access to digital products. All right. And digital products are great too. So you can earn anything from $20 to $100 daily in commissions if you do your marketing right. So you can check Digitem. So Digitem is one of the affiliate marketing platforms I know right now in Nigeria that actually pays their affiliate commissions in dollars. So one of the ways how Digitem works is that you can sign up by paying the one-time sign-up fee that gives you access to their marketplace, or you can choose to sign up with $20 that gives you access to a digital marketing course and also the marketplace. So the good thing about the second option is that it gives you access to a digital marketing course that teaches you everything about how to market digital products online, especially affiliate marketing products. But then it will give you a good launching pad to starting out your digital marketing career, even if you want to, navigate from selling affiliate products to maybe your own products. All right. So to sign up, check out the link in the description of this video. And I'm also going to be leaving the link in the description to a video where I talked more about Digistem and how it works. All right. So this is actually a very quick video. Already we are in the fourth. But before we go on, I believe that you've been gaining value from this tutorial. Please smash on the like button and don't also forget to share this video with people in your network whom you believe would benefit from this tutorial as well. All right. And if you're yet to subscribe, kindly hit on the subscribe button now and also turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss out on anything I post on this channel showing you how to actually make money in the online space. Now, the fourth one is really going to surprise you. The fourth one, guys, is cryptocurrency. And why did I say it surprise you? Perhaps if you know me well, you know that I am not a crypto expert, right? And the truth is that I've not even explored that space, even with all the talks about it. But I know for certain that people are cashing out real good from cryptocurrency, right? Anyways, as an advertising agency, we have run ads for a couple of guys in the crypto space where they are looking to teach other people how to do it. So I'm currently doing an ad on Facebook and Instagram for a lady who wants to teach people how to automate the trade process with AI bots, and the response of people shows interest, right? So with bots, you don't even need to enter the trade yourself. As you know, I know that crypto can really get complex, but with the automated bots, you don't have to get into trade yourself. You just allow the AI to do the trading while you earn, cool money. So interesting time to really live in these days. Now there is a course on crypto that I'm going to be recommending for you guys, and it's by an expert by the name Jack So Precious. If you're familiar with crypto and the digital space entirely, as a whole, you might have heard about this name. He's very popular and he's known for his expertise in the crypto space. So you want to check out Jack So Precious. You can also, if you're on Twitter, you can go on to check him out. And then I'm going to be leaving the link in to his course in the description of this video, so you can also go to check it out. All right. So whichever one you choose to take up, it is completely up to you. So one of the things you can also do, one of the things or the gifts that the internet has given to us is the gift of you know um is the gift of being able to get information at the snap of your fingers. All right. But then one of the things I want to also say is that this online businesses requires time and consistency and also financial investment. So you need to commit something. So if either you're committing your time to watching more tutorials on YouTube to get more information about any of these that I've talked about. Anyways, all of them are actually very profitable. It depends on how you actually look at it. All right. So it's either you're committing time to learning more about the skills, or you're committing your resources to actually getting a good coach who can actually teach you, like help you to navigate all the loopholes and then going straight to the point and getting it. All right. So that way is usually faster. All right. And this is where I'm going to be drawing the curtain on this tutorial for now. Until I come your way next time. Bye for now, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet done that.